Hey folks, Adam here, and I gotta tell you about this. It's a 4K plus 4K dual dash cam. That's right, 4K in the front, and that rear camera that we ran out the back is also 4K. This has GPS tracking, beautiful night footage. You're getting the front and back of your vehicle with extra wide lens and something that's going to talk to you as well. So what else can I tell you about it? First and foremost, it's made by a great brand that backs their products pretty much longer than anyone. We'll cover that in the up close portion of the video. But what I love about them is the overall quality and the image quality being 4K, 30 frames per second, and it's processing fast. And it goes right into their app, streaming quickly and efficiently with the latest Wi-Fi, meaning there's no delay. When you need that video, you can get it. Say you're an offender bender and you need to tell the police that it wasn't your fault, you can get that right to your phone immediately. This has a G-Shock sensor that will make sure to keep that footage in case there is a fender bender. And this thing is going to really become very important should you get into an accident to show that you're not at fault, to give your side of the story, and to provide all the details you need. Now with that 4K image, you can literally look at faces, read license plates, and know everything going on. And with an easy to install app and GPS tracking, that's going to add to your case as well. Folks, let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, what else can I tell you about this device? Now it's a dash cam with front and rear 4K and 4K dual, so that's pretty cool. It's got 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. That means you're able to get your data quickly and efficiently. And this thing has 24-hour park mode as well, which means you know if anything happens to your vehicle, even when it's parked. Included is a 64 gig card. Man, this is amazing. At this price is fantastic. And 1.97 inch display, WDR-G sensor, loop recording, and HD 13. This is unlike anything I've seen before, so it's really fantastic, and I highly recommend you pick one up. This is perfect for your minivan, your RV, your Uber, your tractor, your truck, your bus, whatever it may be. And yeah, with that crystal clear video, you're able to see things like license plates. It's got a 150-degree wide angle lens, minimizing blind spots, and you're able to capture key things like road signs, or if a road sign is blocked, you can show that to the judge and be like, that's why I ran the stop sign, because there was leaves in front of it. And with a crystal clear image like this is going to really be very important. Now, you will be able to quickly check your footage. That makes me happy as well. And I love that 5.8 Wi-Fi GPS for real-time tracking and video management. They've just done everything here, particularly thanks to the Go Look app, which is so easy and convenient to use and install. Of course, it's got that 24-hour park mode, and the dash cam offers two modes: collision detection recording, which captures locks footage when there's an impact, and time-lapse recording to just kind of take a picture and make sure it's constantly monitoring without draining your battery. Yeah, this is really, really fantastic. And you get that permanent hardware kit to connect it to the battery of your vehicle. Yeah, that loop recording is really cool. So it's reliable. They've got great aftercare service as well, and they're just a great brand. In fact, they're a leading edge piece of technology that you're going to love. So folks, it's time for you to go ahead and pick one up. You're going to love this system. And last thing before we show you the up close portion of the video where we give you an unbox, is I got to give a big shout out to this brand. They've again been making such premier products for people like you and me, and they are not gouging. They're giving you quality every single time, and you know, I'm just very happy with them. I'm happy to be partnered with them, and I think you will be too. Folks, what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today and stick around for the up close portion of the video for even more. Oh yeah. All right folks, now it's time for up close portion of the video. It's a 4K plus 4K dual dash cam, and yeah, this thing processes very, very fast and efficiently. 4K at 30 frames per second, both ways. Yeah, that's really cool. 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi plus the app, GPS and tracking, HD 13 by a great brand. So very excited there, and yeah, they've really upped their game recently with the quality and definition on that 4K imagery. This works on 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi for the app, so you're able to get the video quick and efficiently. It's got superior night vision, loop recording, the 64 gigabyte card, 4K 30 frame per second plus 4K 30 frame per second, GPS tracking, the 1.97 inch screen, and that G sensor, which means it's going to make sure it records if there's ever a bump or a hit on your car. Even the tiniest little fender bender. Works with Google Play and Apple Store as well, and yeah, very excited about it. So when we open her up, you get to see everything that's in the box. This portion of the video gives you an opportunity to go ahead and pick it up as well. You know. All right, so we're taking that. Boy, this thing is petite for having such a big screen though. That is nice. You can see, whoop, very nice, very efficient. Very cool there. Okay, so then we're gonna go here, show what's in here. You've got your USB-C with your DC, and they've done a great job of having a device that works with pretty much any car on the planet. If you got that outlet, you're gonna be just fine there. Then that's gonna run for most likely your dash camera, USB-C there, or your rear camera, excuse me, that's what I meant to say. And that's gonna plug right in and give you a great rear image as well. So folks, if you're looking for something that's going to be easy to connect, got the adhesive right there, that's going to click right into place. Let's show you the device real quick as well. That big screen for you on a petite little device. They've just got everything you need. Adjust the camera angle for you. Your SD card and your power right there. Gosh, they've just made it so convenient for you. I don't know, folks. I think it's time to go ahead and pick one up. They back it for 2 years, of course, and just a great brand with that dual dash cam unlock, and it's available right now. So, folks, go check this out. You will not be disappointed. A great brand, lightweight and affordable. And you know what? This is going to keep you from having to worry about some fender benders and someone blaming you when it wasn't your fault. This will pay for itself. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, so go pick one up. You're going to love it. Goodbye, my friends. Go get one.